Happy coffee, everybody. Happy Saturday, SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. It's a great Saturday morning to be doing a video, everybody. In this video, we are going to check out what all the metal prices ended up for Friday and what everybody thinks about what's going to happen on Monday. Monday's sure to be a big day for all these metal prices, everybody. But first, before we get going, please like, subscribe, and share, everybody. We'd really appreciate it. We are really doing well on this channel, and it's all because you right here in your living room, everybody. So in this video, we're going to talk about our metals. We're going to do our normal updates. It's going to be a little bit different. So later on in this video, we're going to show you our pickups that we got from Rich the Professor last Saturday. We're going to show you those, and then we're going to get into some beautiful numismatic coins. We're going to show you these coins and whatever they may be, rounds, coins, the numismatic stuff. Why in the world do you want to stack or collect numismatic coins? I'm going to tell you why I started doing it, everybody. So make sure you keep an eye out on this and later on in the video. So stay with us. SSC, it's early in the morning, as you can see. Happy coffee, everybody. Good stuff. Let's put that down. And let's start out on what happened with gold and silver yesterday. So as Thursday, it started out just a little bit slower on silver and gold, but I eventually ended up seeing, if you didn't see it, we saw 51 on silver, over 51, a little bit on silver for a short period of time, and then it dropped down to 50 for most of the day, mid 50s, somewhere in that area. Incredible for silver, everybody, incredible. All the metals are doing well. There's a couple of them that ended up kind of dropping quite a bit, but that's just the way it goes in the metal business, right? So happy coffee everywhere, all over Canada, United States, everywhere. We appreciate all you guys. So, and hey, by the way, thanks for the incredible views. Yesterday on our update video, we went over 1,000 views. That's my goal, is to get over 1,000 views on each of these update videos and hit our 4,000 subscriber mark, guys. So gold did really good. It stayed pretty much over $4,000 an ounce most of the day. There was a few dips in it during the day, but it's at $4,016.40, and it was up $40.90. Silver was up 95 cents, and it's at $49.89. So it dipped a little bit below 50, but guys, can you believe, I was going back and I looked at a few of my old videos and my update videos, and it's like, are we going to get to 37? Are we going to get to 37? Then it was like 39. Could 39 be this week? Are we going to hit 39 and stay at 39? And then it blasted past 39 to 40. And then here we are in what, a week and a half maybe? And we're hanging in there right around 50, guys. If you think about it, that's a $9, $10 increase in silver price and a couple $100 on gold price. Coffee's good, everybody. Now, the two other metals on here that I look at are platinum and palladium. They've been doing well pretty much all week, and they ended up closing kind of short of what they were. Platinum is down $30, everybody, to $15.92. And don't forget, if you're just catching this video, we're going to show you pickups, and we're going to show you some numismatics and some beautiful silver this morning in this video, guys. So it'll be a little bit later on. Platinum $15.92 once again. It's down $30 an ounce, guys. Platinum, no, it's the ADHD thing. Palladium is down $12 to, it didn't hit it too hard, to $13.85. And rhodium actually went up to $7,100. So it's up $50. So the gold to silver ratio at one time was 78 to 1, everybody. And you heard me talk about that yesterday. 78 to 1. We're up to 80.51 right now. Guys, that's still a phenomenal ratio. So if you decide that you want to trade some silver and get you an ounce of gold, now might be a good time to do it. Then again, I'm still predicting silver on Monday to really, really go up, guys. So we're going to be checking in right now on goldbacks. Goldbacks ended up the exchange rate 8.15, so it's down a little bit with gold, what gold was, and they do really good. Copper kind of dropped out on us a little bit yesterday, everybody. Copper's down to 484, and it dropped out. But the biggest loser today, everybody, is Bitcoin. Bitcoin fell out, and it's volatile, guys. Bitcoin is volatile. What do you expect? It's digital. It dropped from 122,000. It dropped 1,738.60 is what it dropped, down to 112,019.90. It's the big loser. I still don't have an idea, or I can't figure out what is driving Bitcoin. What actually drives it? Are any of these metals driving Bitcoin? I don't know. So we'll have to look into that. So happy coffee. Coffee's good, everybody, especially on Saturday when you're not working and you're just hanging out. Posting this video a little bit later than normal, trying to let some of you sleep in. So let's go over the metals one more time, everybody, and then we're going to get into some pickups that we had with Rich, the professor at El Reno Coin. Make sure you go see him today, everybody. I'm not filming today. My birthday party's today, and it's game day. Go OU, okay? And Texas, we love Texas too. But, I am a Sooners fan. I'm in Oklahoma. So to all you Texas folks, good luck to you today. It's always a fantastic game between Oklahoma Sooners and the Texas Longhorns. So once again, our gold price ended $4,016.40. Our silver price $49.89. Platinum down to $15.92. And palladium $13.85, everybody. And once again, the copper lost a little bit down to $4.84, and goldback's $8.15. So let's that being said, everybody, happy coffee one more time, and then we're going to check out some cool stuff. So when we were over at Rich's, the professor in El Reno, Mrs. SSC wanted to pick out a couple of things that she liked. And of course, after we were done filming, when we finished up filming, about gold and silver, I found something. And after we filmed her picking up her stuff, I found something. So let's check it out. Let's do a little pickup video, and then we're going to talk about numismatic coins. Why did SSC start doing this and start becoming maybe a little bit of a collector of these? Couple influences on me with those. So we'll talk about that in just a minute. But let's start out with a couple of, goldbacks, guys. So we're getting and collecting in stacking more and more gold backs. Gold backs, guys, are getting more and more popular in the market, and more people are buying them. More and more states are picking these things up. They are 24 karat gold. They follow the gold market, everybody. So that's one reason why we're keeping these. And I just believe the longer we hold these, like silver and other gold, such as these, the longer we hold it, the more it goes up in value. And I believe these are going to be a big part of that, guys. These are on fire, everybody. So, so she got a 2 gold back, beautiful, beautiful gold back. And if you notice, right up here on these gold backs, right there is like a serial number. So unlike, for instance, Mercury dimes, they've been counterfeited big time over the years. So unless you really look close on Mercury dimes, constitutional silver, you can't really tell if it's been counterfeited, guys. But with these, it's almost impossible to counterfeit these, everybody. Almost impossible. So there's a 2 gold back, everybody. And let's pick up another one. And we've got another 1 gold back, everybody. It was just for fun. And we only brought enough cash so we didn't overdo ourselves, because we always do. And this is the 1 gold back. If you guys are new to my channel and you haven't seen gold backs, they're beautiful. If you're new into stacking silver, diversify your stack, everybody. Silver and gold, and even gold backs, numismatics, like we're going to get into here shortly. Numismatics, everybody. So we got a 1 gold back, a 2 gold back, and then the last one is a 5 gold back. Another beautiful gold back. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see, you know, Oklahoma, like Texas, is big in oil. And if you can see here, you can see the derrick there. And we've got a big oil flow. You know, she blew, as they would say. And it's just a absolutely beautiful gold back, everybody. And we'll continue to get some more. Now, I will say about the gold backs, I think the 1s and the 2s and the 5s and even maybe the 10s are the ones possibly to keep. And as the professor said, his most popular gold backs are definitely 1s, 2s, 5s, and even the 10s, you know. But above that, he doesn't sell a ton of those. But, you know, people are buying them. So happy coffee. We had to take a sip of that, everybody. Another really cool one Mrs. SSC picked out was a 2022 St. Helena Pegasus. This is a beautiful coin, MS69. This is a graded coin. Now, take in mind, guys, when you don't have to have these graded, but when you take these things in and get them graded, it does a couple things. It drives the cost up, of course, on this coin, because you love it so much you want to have it graded, whether it's valuable or not, or just the value of the silver. Or it can make the coin more valuable in the future because of the grading, if, you know, they get really popular. So it is a beautiful, beautiful currency coin, everybody. Once again, Mrs. SSC in a 2022 St. Helena Pegasus MS69. Our next one is the one Mr. SSC has picked out. Now, I've had a few of these and still have a few of these, but I found another one. It's actually kind of cool the way This is a Morgan dollar. It's an MS63 1884 New Orleans Mint. Now, I thought it was kind of cool this on the rim right here, not rim, but on the edge of the coin, how it's done that right here, how it's turned. Now, silver, naturally is going to turn, but I picked that up. And, these things, like I said, you're going to pay more money. I mean, that was a pretty good chunk of money for a Morgan, but it's a nice Morgan. It's a good date Morgan. And we really enjoyed that. I'm really happy with that one. I think that's the second one I have. I have to go back and look, but it's an MS63. I think the other one's 62 maybe. But anyway, so these are numismatic. The Morgan dollars are definitely numismatic. I mean, if you want to call that numismatic, I guess you could. But collectible old coins, to me, are all numismatic. So let's show you. Let's see here. I've got a few more, and let's talk about these. All this stuff back here. Some of this stuff is valuable. Some of it's not valuable, but it's just definitely fun to collect. And the reason why I say that is, I mean, there's history behind these. 1909 half dollar, and I think I've got even an older one in here. But here's an 1821, guys. Capped bust. Okay, 1821. And of course, you can see the price on there. That was quite a while back, I think. But the kicker is, I mean, can you send it off to have it graded? Yes, you can. Will it grade good? That one, possibly not. But getting this stuff, this kind of stuff right here, numismatic stuff, the reason why I've done numismatic stuff is because after you start stacking your silver and your gold, after a while you start to, if you're ADHD like me, you start to get bored with it. And, getting bored is just no fun. And you're like, hey, I'll go get me some more silver and gold. But this makes it interesting. Getting numismatic coins that have tons of history really makes it interesting. It makes it fun to get into the hobby of collecting coins. And you already have your silver stack up, you already have your gold stack up, and some of you may want to just, you may just want to collect numismatic coins instead of stacked silver, and that's okay too, because all this stuff carries value, and it will follow the value. As silver goes up, that'll go up. The silver inside this half dollar or this Morgan dollar will continue to rise. So the value of that goes up along with the numismatic value. And then we got this one. This is, you've seen this one. If you have not, everybody, you're new to my channel. This is a beautiful 2012 S Eagle. All right. So San Francisco, reverse proof. It is a beautiful, beautiful silver eagle, everybody. We got that bad boy here, maybe a couple weeks, 2-3 weeks ago or so. But a reverse proof, we love that. I know the Ninja Turtle will like this one. He likes this kind of stuff. But anyway, so a couple more. Oh, sorry about hitting the old camera there. For all you new guys, here's another one. We've shown this a couple times. This is a beautiful, beautiful Southern Sky Orion colorized. This will be valuable someday, everybody. It already is pretty valuable. I mean, I paid a pretty good chunk of money. So numismatic coins make everything interesting. So they make it fun. On top of stacking your beautiful silver, they make things just fun. So That's one reason why I got into numismatic coins. Another reason I got into numismatic coins and started collecting this stuff too, and Mrs. SSC also, was because of a friend of mine came over and we did a video a while back. And if you've watched all my videos, you'll see it, where, you know, he brought over stuff he had been stacking and buying, numismatics and all kinds of different coins for the last probably 15 years. And so he brought them over and we filmed him right here at the mansion. And oops, better take that gold. That's these gram. One thing about these little gram guys is you don't want to lose them. That's still about 150 bucks. But anyway, he brought those over, and I tell you what, I started looking even after the filming, and they were absolutely gorgeous. So, man, that's one reason why it got me into it. And on top of stacking beautiful silver back here, oops, we had, well, how about that? Is that better? We have some fun doing this, guys. We love doing these videos. It's really cool to do these videos. I mean, you just can't get any better than filming your stuff. How about that, sobriety and silver? Just filming your stuff that you get and filming your stuff that you have and showing everybody. And sometimes you have to pull this stuff out once in a while and reshoot it for the new folks on the channel, because a lot of people won't go back, way back. They might watch the first, 8 or 10 of your videos. Rarely do they go way back 6, 8 months and watch videos unless they just pop up. So we do like to kind of bring stuff back in and show everybody. So happy Saturday, everybody. Fantastic day. Gonna have my birthday. Got a fly flying around. It's flying around right here. Gold and silver, bam. Make sure you protect yourself with this, with gold, silver, numismatics, everybody. Protect yourself. It's a hedge against inflation. As you all can see how high it's going, it's still not too late. Make sure you buy silver. Make sure you buy gold, everybody. I'm buying more gold, and I'll continue to buy more silver because I am the Silver Stacker Cracker. But I'm trying to get my gold built back up. I didn't pull it all out. It's still hanging tight pretty good. I just wanted to bring this out for this video. So everybody have a fantastic Saturday. Happy coffee to everybody. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America, guys. Have a happy Saturday. Go Sooners. And I am out.